Hi guys, this is Drop Later, and this is a vlog. I'm just walking around talking. It's not gonna be too long, just doing things, and stuff, and more things. Nails. Parkour. Second fence. Can't touch this. Look at that view. There's a truck. God. Things flying on me. God, there's things everywhere. Oh God. Go away. Okay, they're gone. I'm just making a video. Just got out of school. Guess what? I have this thing where I'll see things and I have to get a CAT scan and blood on me and tons of things like that. See someone that works on brains. It's weird. Dude, look at that. I might walk around. Nature sucks. Screw nature. Ugh. God. Bugs. Mud. Make everything worse. Go away. Go away, stupid bugs. Into the pencil. They're attacking. Save the hole. Okay, guys. That's it. It's not good, but it's something. Okay. That's it. This is Drop Later, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm not sure when. Okay, but that's it. Bye, guys.